Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Memefi Coin to OKX wallet. Let's begin. So once you've opened up Memefi Coin, you're going to go to the top right corner and then select the three dots. And then you are going to select share. Then you'll go to the bottom and then select copy link. Now what you need to do is go to your OKX wallet app. So once you open up OKX wallets, you're going to go to the bottom left corner there where it says OKX. Then you move to the right and then look for the tab which says discover. So now you're going to go to the top and then select the search bar and you're going to paste in the link that you copied earlier. So then afterwards, it's going to open up the Memefi Coin app. So you're going to go to the right and then you'll see the OKX wallets application there. So you're going to select it. Then you go to the bottom and then select check the task. So afterwards, you're going to select the first option where it says connect to OKX app. And there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.
Whatever they want with our data.